In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't post story or upload problem. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot, so just keep watching until the end. So there is three ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps again, go to Instagram and then click here on this option. It's called force stop, and then click on the storage and click here on clear data, and then go to the data usage and make sure that all the network access are enabled. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go back to the settings and go to the wireless and networks and enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's the second way. The third way and the last one is you have to go to the Play Store and search for Instagram. After you search for it, you will find this update option. If you have an old version, click on update to update your Instagram. And that's it, guys. Very easy and simple and fast, quick solve. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.